There are many minerals the body needs. One of them is magnesium. But what magnesium supplements will work best? You should take one that can efficiently get into your body's cells, for maximum benefits. One such magnesium is magnesium bicarbonate. Other good ones are magnesium citrate, and magnesium sulfate, also known as Epsom salts. In this video we are concentrating on magnesium bicarbonate.
The human body requires oxygen to live. The cells require it as well, especially to enable energy metabolism. Failure of oxygen energy metabolism is the single most important risk factor for chronic diseases, including viral infections. The cells need ATP, adenosine triphosphate, to use energy, and there are many things that can help with this. One such item is magnesium bicarbonate. But how do you take this? Or how do you even buy it? The best way to take it is to make it yourself, and then consume enough to ensure it will be beneficial for your health. Magnesium really helps with getting other nutrients and minerals into the body's cells. And magnesium bicarbonate is one of the most effective magnesiums. Let us look at how to make it. First you will need to get hold of some magnesium hydroxide, which comes in powdered form. This is not to be confused with magnesium oxide, which the body generally cannot use. Along with magnesium hydroxide, we shall need a Sodastream, or some other device for putting carbon dioxide into water. Carbonated water is sometimes called fizzy water or soda, and has bubbles of air in the water. The best water to use is distilled water, as it is free from impurities. You can either distill your own, with a distiller, or buy distilled water. Or if that is not possible, then water that is highly filtered. You need the water to be as pure as possible. Steps to take. Fill the Sodastream bottle with water up to the line, which is 840 milliliters on the one I have. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of magnesium hydroxide powder into the bottle. Put the cap on the bottle and shake it. Then remove the bottle cap, and put the bottle into the Sodastream in the usual way as if making fizzy water. Press the button 3 or 4 times to carbonate the water. Remove the bottle. The contents will look cloudy, which is normal. Then replace the cap, and give it a good shake. If you have a large enough glass bottle available, you can transfer this mixture to that bottle, keeping the Sodastream bottle free in case you want to make more fizzy water. This mixture now contains magnesium bicarbonate, and after transferring to the new bottle, seal the cap tightly, and give it a good shake again. Let this stand for at least 3 hours, and shake again. Once the water looks clear, and there are no more magnesium flakes visible, it will be ready for use. If there are still some white flakes in the water, shake it again and let it stand for a while. You want to use this magnesium bicarbonate water only when it is clear. Usage. For general usage of getting some magnesium into your body, it is recommended to take about 1 part magnesium bicarbonate to 2 parts water, for example 100 milliliters of magnesium bicarbonate topped up with 200 milliliters of water in your cup or glass. Reduce the amounts as necessary if the cup or glass is smaller. Drink this mixture on its own, or you can add other minerals to it, such as vitamin C, sodium bicarbonate, or MSM. If you are taking CDS, chlorine dioxide solution, then the magnesium bicarbonate should be taken a few hours apart from any CDS you are taking. We shall cover CDS in a different video.
Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions or comments in the comments section. Feel free to subscribe to, or follow this channel, How to Have Health. You may also want to like this video and share it with others who would benefit from this information.